Welcome back, traders and investors. My name is Shen Mwangangi, one of the best market analysts here at HFM. HFM is a multi-winning awarded broker that provides for you as a trader and the best trading platform and trading environment. So coming in today, we've seen the dollar weakening drastically, and also we have seen the gold rising up drastically, because we know both of these are inversely correlated. And why is this happening? We have been speaking about this since Monday. One of the major credit card rating, which is known as the Moody's, decided to downgrade their credit card rating from AAA to AA1, and this showed us that there is a rising debt crisis in the US, and it brought pressure into the US economy and also brought pressure to gold. As you can see, gold has been rising and the dollar has been rising. So which technical levels are we watching on today as we maneuver through the news that was released during the weekend? So at the moment, I'm looking at the 102 level, which is our previous support zone. So we all know after we get a break, we will be waiting for a retest. Else, I'll be waiting for a bounce from the 98.07, which I know it's a long ride till there. On the gold, I can see at the moment we broke our support zone at 32.28.44, and we are rising higher. So again, remember, after every break, you do not just enter immediately, you wait for a retest. So I'll be waiting for a retest at 32.28.44, or else a bounce from 33.57.63. Yes, and also yesterday during our opening bell, for those who are able to attend our opening bell on our Instagram and Facebook Live, we were able to call the gold analysis, which talked about on our lower time frame. Let me move to our lower time frame, which we talked about on our lower time frame, which said if we break the 32.28 level, we will have a move higher. And we definitely broke this level during our opening time bell, and we had that strong impulsive move higher, leaving clear imbalances on our zone, even having volume to back our move. So clearly we have a good uptrend on the gold at the moment. Moving on to dollar paired currency pairs, we have the Euro USD and the JPY USD. On the Euro USD, you can see we have we're still above our support zone at the 119.32 level, and we are approaching our resistance zone at the moment, which I had forgotten to mark. Let me mark it at that level at the 1.13140, and we might have a bounce off. At the moment, I'll either be looking for a breakout, then a retest, then a continuation move higher as the dollar continues to become weak, or a bounce off from that level all the way to our previous support level at the 1.11932. At the JPY USD, we can see already we came back and we created an all-time high once again, and our all-time high was at the 1.34705, and a breakout from this move, I will be looking for a move higher. But if we have an engulfing on the lower time frame at this level, I'll be looking to have a bounce off to the 1.32649. Remember, always follow your rules. Look for clear confirmation, a volume breakout on a candlestick confirmation, either engulfing or a breakout, depending on the time frame that you are looking at. On the USD JPY, knowing that the dollar is the base currency coming first on this currency pair, as the dollar is weakening, also the USD JPY is weakening, and we are off from our support zone at the 145.215, and we are clearly seeing a move down, and we are also at a support zone at 143 level, we may have a bounce up also from this level and a move to retest this 145 and then move down, or else a break from this move, then continue to target our previous support zone at the 140.787, where we had clear support zone where supported more than 1, 2, 3 times, and we had large swing moves from there being clearly confirmed by volume on the downside when we touched those levels. So it clearly shows us that we have large participants participating at this level, and this is a key level to watch at the moment. Lastly, on the AUD USD, you can see we are having a consolidation and range from our zones that we had marked from last week at the 0.64917 and also at the 0.63591. Yes, this shows us that both the AUD and the USD, both of them are in depending on their strengths. None of them is either strong or weak. They are both balanced, and a break from either from the top or from the bottom, we will with a clear momentum move from confirmed by volume again, and an imbalanced candle will show us the direction that we might want to move on the AUD USD. To welcome those who have joined us right now, we're talking about our major focus for today was the dollar, and we had mentioned that the dollar is drastically weakening. Why? Because we had an announcement from the Moody's that they have downgraded their credit card rating, which shows us that there is a rising debt crisis in the US economy. And when we see a rising debt crisis, we will see investors and traders moving to safe havens like gold. And we have been seeing gold moving up, breaking our previous support zone at 3228.44, which we had called yesterday on our live Instagram page. And for those who were there, they had the opportunity to take the longs, and we are still continuing up on the gold as the dollar is continuing to weaken. What is there to watch? On Sunday, we have the Fed speaking. So, are they going to cut the interest rate again? No, are they going to hold the interest rate again, or are they going to cut the interest rates? So, on Sunday is a watch, and we might open with a gap on Monday, because we understand that when the Fed speak, we have impulsive moves either to the up or to the down, and we understand also on the weekends the market are not open. So we will be looking for clear opportunities from next week on Monday to see what the Fed are going to say, and to give us clear direction on the gold and the dollar. So with that said, thank you all for joining in to our today's morning market call. I hope you have marked those levels that we have spoken about, and don't forget to use strict risk management. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure that you do your due diligence and go and study your charts, and don't forget also to go to our YouTube page and like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification button. This will help us improve our algorithm so that we can create better videos for you as a trader and investor. My name is Shane Mwangangi, the best market analyst here at HFM. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Goodbye.